Let me ask you something real. How often do you feel your focus slipping? Like you want to work on your goals, but you're stuck in a loop of distractions. You sit down to be productive. Then your phone buzzes. One scroll on Instagram, one TikTok. Suddenly, it's been 2 hours and nothing's done. But here's the truth no one talks about. It's not just about wasting time, it's about how your brain is being hijacked by hypersexualized content, instant gratification, and habits you never consciously chose. I've been there. A few years ago, I had a massive opportunity, an investor pitch that could have changed everything. I prepped for weeks, rehearsed till it was perfect, but the night before, I got distracted. Hours of meaningless scrolling. The next morning, I felt foggy, disconnected, and I blew it. That's when I realized something had to change. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, why can't I just stop? You're not weak. You're living in a world your brain wasn't designed for.
100 years ago, you had to go looking for stimulation. Today, it's everywhere. Every scroll, like, video, it's all engineered to trigger dopamine, the chemical that makes you feel good. And while dopamine itself isn't bad, overexposure rewires your brain. It becomes harder to focus, harder to feel joy from real things, your work, relationships, growth. That failed pitch made me realize I was losing more than time. I was losing myself. But here's the good news. If your brain can be rewired against you, it can be rewired for you. Here's how I did it. 3 simple steps.
Reclaim your inputs. Your mind is a garden. What you feed it grows. Unfollow accounts that drain you. Replace them with content that inspires and uplifts. Start choosing what enters your mind, not just what entertains it. Retrain your focus. Meditation changed everything for me. Just 5 minutes a day. Sit still, focus on your breath. When your mind wanders, bring it back. That's it. Over time, you'll notice it's easier to stay focused, calm, and in control. 3. Redefine your why. Distraction thrives when your purpose is unclear. Ask yourself, why am I doing this? Write down your goals. Keep them where you can see them. Because every time you say no to distraction, you're saying yes to your future. 6 months after I committed to this path, my life was completely different. My business grew, my mind was clear, my relationships became deeper. But most of all, I felt free. And that's what I want for you. So here's your first step. Unfollow one account that pulls you away. Meditate for just 5 minutes. Write down your why. It's not about being perfect, it's about starting. Because this isn't just about breaking bad habits, it's about taking your life back.